Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is just a reach away from $3,000, and we could potentially see Ethereum climb up to those crazy levels, being $3,000. And if we get there, it's going to be absolutely crazy. It would be a 2x from that local low we put in over here around April at 1.5k. I think we did actually go below 1.5k, but yeah, look at this monthly performance up 57%. So we've been talking about Bitcoin a lot on this channel and other things, but Ethereum needs some love too, because on the 7-day, it's 42%. It deserves attention. It deserves some recognition. And I'm really excited to see where this can potentially go. On the quarterly basis, Bitcoin on Q2 is up 25% so far for 2025. The market is starting to look a little bit better. And yeah, I'm honestly feeling quite excited for what I'm seeing here with Ethereum, that we might potentially have a small glimpse of hope of getting to $3,000. So if you like Ethereum, comment down below if you think it's getting there. Like this video too. And massive shout out to my traders, by the way, in my free to join Discord, who are making insane gains every single day. If you want to make more money in the market, check out my Discord down below. It's free to join, guys. You will love it in here. We've got so many resources and a huge community. See you there. Now, looking at Ethereum on the weekly time frame, we've had 4 incredible weeks. Bottomed out at 1.382k. That would have been your optimal buy-in, but I think really getting in down there would have really taken a, like a strong buy order or something and a bit of luck. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, it looks like we are consolidating again, and Ethereum likes to draw up its classic W patterns. And I'm sort of seeing a bit of a W over here being played. Hard to say exactly. And, we could easily still tumble back down. But if this market does move to the upside, if we break out from these patterns that we're seeing here, because it's starting to look like bull flag after bull flag, we could see potentially $3,000 here. 3,000 aligns with our 2.618 Fibonacci over here, which would be a 17% pump to the upside. The 1.6 Fibonacci takes you to 2.7k. So ideally 2.8k is a macro resistance I've got. And that is a level I might take a smidgen of profit, because, we did buy in at 1.5k over here, and I'm pretty happy to take some profits on an 82%, wave here. So we called this in my Discord, by the way. It's another reason you need to get in there, because we are making these big wins. I will say Ethereum is looking heavily overbought and a little bit tired. On the daily time frame, you can see it's very overbought, 86 on the relative strength index. So also wouldn't be applying any huge positions here generally, just because I'm that aware of how well it's performed. It went from an oversold RSI down here to an overbought RSI. So naturally, I'm not going to go ape in and just put a ton of money there, because it would be a bit crazy. What I will say is our trading indicator, trend wave, which is our new indicator, you can find this down below. It's $27.50 per month. Or become a Crypto Legend patron and get it included for free. This is our lovely new indicator. So just to show you guys, look at TradeWave. It literally signaled us to go long and buy here at 1.55k. So this is how I knew. This is how I made the money. Yeah, straight away it told us to take profits at 45% on a partial take profit. I closed 70% of the trade, and the rest is riding up now as free profit and still in a leverage long position. So this is just glorious to see. And this is exactly how I play these markets, not day to day, but swing week to week, month to month, and sit back and relax. So yeah, if you like the idea of that, check it out down below, my trade wave indicator, which is so cool. Love it so far. And like I say, Crypto Legend patrons will get this included for free, and you'll get everything: the buy and sell signals, resources, education, the alpha, and just generally everything you need to become a better trader in the markets. So yeah, super excited about that. Now, do I think ETH will get back to $3,000? If we do follow with this plan, then yes, I do. All-time high itself is a big question mark still, but I'm really hoping that we will see this continuation here for Ethereum, just based on this particular data alone and the fact the markets are extremely bullish right now. Okay, so that's really, really exciting. Make sure, by the way, you're signed up trading with KSEX. If you're not already, you're already 10 steps behind, because they have the lowest fees on the market. No KYC is needed here, and it is a centralized exchange that can be traded and used anywhere in the world, from anywhere, right? Phone, laptop, wherever you are, guys, you can get using KSEX, and I absolutely love this exchange, and I think you will love it too. So do check it out and have a little look at it. Super bullish. Yeah, you can see they've got tons of coins. everything you could ever need on a crypto exchange. Don't know what else to say. You might get some bonuses too, so do check it out. Before we head off, if you are looking for that next meme utility token, we've got Solaxy here, having a little P in space, but effectively Solaxy will be launching soon. It's an ERC20 token, guys, which will launch very soon and hit the crypto markets. You can see Solaxy crypto presale, the Solana layer 2. They raised $35 million. When this goes live, we could potentially see something incredible here. So at $35.5 million, the price goes up, or in 5 hours and 5 minutes. One SolX is 0.001722 as well on the price side of things. So very juicy roadmap. Pre-sale process is now, then token generation event, the bridge and listings. The testnet is here. The bridge, ID, and wiki will come soon. Got nice tokenomics, 138 billion tokens here. So Solaxy in a nutshell effectively is going to help scale Solana. You can see here is the chain. It's going to help with the network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations, guys. So please have a look at it, do your own due diligence and research, and let me know what you think about this token down below. I've already bought my bag. I hope it does well, but never risk more than you can afford to lose. So yeah, shout out to Solaxy because this project could do very well, and I honestly hope it does. Not financial advice, always do your own due diligence. And in a nutshell, guys, I think we're pretty much at the end of the video. Want you all to join the Discord. It is free to join. It's such a cool place to hang out. I don't know how else to explain it, but I love it and I love seeing people win. So please join it. The link is down below. It's free. Subscribe. See you soon. Boosh.